What do all of you Tesla bulls believe the stock will be worth by the end of 2023? Dan Ives of Weber Securities believes that Tesla stock will have tripled by the end of the year, despite the fact that it has been declining over the last 3 months. In such scenario, we will present 5 reasons why the value of Tesla shares could triple by 2023. Continue watching, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay connected. You'll be pleased to learn that there are a few unexpected benefits. While numerous projections have been made regarding Tesla stock, whiteboard analysis looks to hold the greatest promise. Although Tesla stock has been trading at a discount, there is a good chance that the company's value could soon increase dramatically. Let's examine the rationale behind Ives' projection of a threefold increase. Since January 1st, 2023, when new tax incentives take effect, EV sales have continued to surge. Many new and prospective customers are unsure if they will be eligible for the federal tax credit on electric vehicles now that a number of additional standards and benefits have been reinstated for consumers in the United States. Long-term financial viability of purchasing an electric car may be improved by the cost of living. Adjustment Act of 2022, the most comprehensive climate bill ever passed in the United States. The bill introduced by Joe Biden was signed into law on August 16th and has set aside around $369 million for climate action. A portion of the funds will be used to raise the tax credits for the purchase of electric vehicles. A minimum of 75% of the vehicle's parts must originate from the U.S. or other countries with which the U.S. has. Free trade agreements. These are among the requirements that buyers must fulfill. This might keep some companies from benefiting from this, but not Tesla. They are among the automakers who qualify for this tax credit. Zachary Kirkhorn, Chief Financial Officer, claims that the ITC will revolutionize the automaker's target acceleration, while the Treasury Department's guidance, which is expected to be published by the end of the year, will provide clarity on the eligibility requirements for the credit. Kirkhorn informed analysts during Tesla's Q3 earnings call that he does think the company is well positioned to secure a sizable portion of the credit for both solar storage and electric vehicles. Things get exciting at this point. Tesla stands to benefit greatly from the tax credit, regardless of how it chooses to spend it. In the upcoming years, Tesla's profitability will surely skyrocket, even if the demand isn't great enough, and further stimulate the announcement of gigafactories and the start of production. Demand for Tesla vehicles will undoubtedly increase if the firm maintains its current pricing strategy, especially as it continues to enhance its electric vehicles. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has previously said that the company wants to boost yearly output to 20 million cars, which would require a major expansion of its current factory network. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has estimated that by 2030, the company would produce 20 million cars a year. While speaking to shareholders at Tesla's annual meeting, Musk claimed that the company had recently completed its 3 millionth vehicle within a few weeks, despite the fact that this estimate has been regarded with skepticism by many media sites. 10 years ago, the company had created less than 3,000 automobiles. By the end of the year, Tesla is expected to produce 2 million cars, according to Musk. In order to fulfill an output of 1.5 to 2 million units per facility by 2030, the automaker is moving to ramp up production on its currently operating factories. He believes Tesla may end up establishing at least 10 or 12 gigafactories. It might soon start automating its procedures to boost output, much like Tesla's Shanghai factory did, which should result in high figures in the years to come. There's a bonus at the very end of the video, so make sure to watch it through. There have been some comments made about Elon Musk's recent use of Twitter, which is the third catalyst that would instantly affect the price of Tesla's shares. However, as winter buzz fades, it is evident that marketers and the general public are becoming less interested in Tesla. Experts worry that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, won't be able to dedicate enough time to the company due to his new position at a social media startup. Elon Musk has acknowledged that he is trying to appoint a new CEO for the company and that his workload has increased. Fears are starting to fade, and Musk appears to be managing his job at Twitter well. Similarly, the introduction of the semi-truck has provided investors with a fresh area of interest. Rather focusing on the noise, they ought to consider Tesla's profitability and capacity to continue increasing production in the upcoming years. The Federal Reserve may choose to temporarily halt raising interest rates as inflation looks to be abating. Policymakers are expected to approve another rate hike due to growing market expectations, but this time they'll probably choose for a lower increase of 0.5 or 50 basis points. Governor Christopher Waller of the Federal Reserve says that the recent economic data has eased their concerns and encouraged them to consider reducing their rate. They have increased to 50 basis points in September. The federal funds rate rose to 3.25% as the Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, marking the third consecutive rate hike. The latest hike in interest rates has taken a significant toll on the stock market and the Federal Reserves. Acknowledgement that inflation is less than anticipated has eased investors' concerns about the future. The Federal Reserve's Vice Chair, Lyle Brainerd, recently voiced confidence about a study on U.S. inflation that showed price increases were moderating and forecast that the Fed will soon scale down its rate hikes. We finally arrived at the last and fifth reason to be bullish about Tesla stock in the near future. The Cybertruck is highly anticipated and might provide the stock a pleasant lift. Tesla is getting ready to start making its Cybertruck, so it has been revealed. In recent rumors that the car might go into mass production before the end of the year, semi-delivery events are possible for Tesla while the company is being cautious about them. In fact, there will be a major story about Tesla's semi-truck at the event. The Cybertruck and the upcoming Roadster have been discussed by Tesla's detractors, but their arguments just don't hold water. During the company's Q3 2022 earnings call, Musk stated that Tesla's Giga Texas facilities are already ready for the Cybertruck. Recent job postings on Tesla's recruitment website imply that Musk's remarks might be true. According to reports, Tesla has started hiring in order to train the first Cybertruck, and this is the time when their employees get bonuses. Finally, Tesla has been granted a patent for a revolutionary method of producing glass, which will be utilized for the Cybertruck's innovative windshield. There are numerous aspects of the Cybertruck that set it apart from other automobiles. The radical design is based on the premise that, after 30 years, pickup truck designs have largely stayed the same. Tesla hopes to break this trend by creating something unique. The Tesla armor glass on the Cybertruck is among its most innovative and controversial design elements. 4. For years, Tesla has made significant investments in material research, including the development of glass for the Cybertruck. The following is how the manufacturer characterizes the Tesla armor glass. Impact force can be absorbed and redirected by ultra-strong glass made of polymer layered composite for better performance and damage tolerance. The Cybertruck's glass, however, is intriguing since it echoes the vehicle's angular design. Tesla has now been granted a new patent to produce glass that can be shaped to produce unique forms that are normally unattainable in the conventional automotive glass industry. I hope you liked the final extra bonus that I mentioned in the video earlier. It's amazing that Tesla engineers are such experts at what they do that's simply altering the windshield material. They will permanently alter the form of cars. I appreciate you watching, and if you found this information about Tesla interesting, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the future video.